everyone, my name is Ravi and welcome to CAT level Caselet series. This is LRDI set 2 in CAT level Caselet series. Okay, so we start with this set here. This series set. A water supplier company supplies water in 5 societies in Noida. Okay, Panchsheel, Supertech, Amrapali, Gaur and Infinity. Since 2012, each society receives water at different frequency, that is on every nth day, with n being different for each society. The following information is also known with regard to water to be supplied to different societies in 2014, right? Now see, this set is meant as per the set asked in CAT 2016, right? So I made this set as per the set asked in CAT 2016. A similar kind of set was asked in CAT 2016, right? Okay, so you can sense it, right? This kind of questions are asked in CAT these days. Panchsheel received on 5th January also receives on only on every 5th day. Supertech received on 6th January also receives only on every 6th day. Amrapali received on 10th January also receives only on every 10th day. Gaur received on 16th January also receives on every 16th day. Infinity received on 25th January also receives on every 25th day. Right. So we have 5 questions to follow now. So you can see that this is a question 1. In the next slide, what is the maximum number of societies that will be supplied water on any single day in 2014? This is a question. Question 2. If 3 societies can be supplied water in a single on any single day, on which day we can see first such instance in April 2014? Fine. Third one. On which date in 2014 can we observe the second instance of water being supplied to maximum number of societies? Okay. And fourth one. If this frequency for all users was being followed since 2012, then in 2013, how many times could the societies Amrapali, Gaur and Infinity have received water together in a single day? Okay, so we'll see this first question to start with. What is the maximum number of societies that will be supplied water on any single day in 2014? So come back here. So question is in 2014. Okay, question is about 2014, right? In 2014, what is the maximum numbers of society can receive water on a single day? So see here, what I can understand from this set here is now Panchsheel received on 5th January also received only on 5th day, right? January Supertech received on 6th January also receives on every 6th day, right? And this is we're talking about 2014. This we're talking about 2014, right? So what we can sense from here is if Panchsheel received on 5th January every time and Supertech received on 6th January every time. Okay, so 5th January and it receives on every 5th day. So when did Panchsheel received last? So Panchsheel received last on which day? 31st December. 31st December 2013. Right. Panchsheel would have received last because Panchsheel receives on every 5th day. Right. And since 5th January is that 5th day, 5th January 2014 is that 5th day. So when did Panchsheel last received? On 31st January 2013. Sorry, 31st December 2013, right? Similarly, Supertech received on 6th January also receives only on every 6th day. So Supertech receives on every 6th day, right? So 6th January 2014 is now 6th day of Supertech. So when did Supertech received? Also on 31st December 2013. So Panchsheel received also on 31st December 2013 last time. Supertech also 31st December 2013 last time. Similarly, Amrapali received on 10th January and also receives only on every 10th day. So 10th January is the 10th day for Amrapali. So on 31st January 2013, sorry, 31st December 2013, Amrapali received last time. Okay. Gaur received on 16th January and it is 16th day. Since 16th January is the 16th day and Gaur receives on every 16th day. So last time when did Gaur receive it? Again on 31st December 2013. And last one is Infinity received on 25th January, also receives on every 25th day, right? So 25th January is the 25th day. So Infinity also last time received on 31st December 2013, right? So I hope it is clear, this part, right? So last time they all received together. Last time they all received together on 31st December 2013, right? Okay. Now, Panchsheel received on 5th January and this is also 5th day. So we'll see when after 31st December 2013, right? We'll see after after 21st December 2013, after 21st December 2013, when they will again receive, together. So Panchsheel receives on every 5th day, okay. Supertake receives on every 6th day, Amrpali receives on every 10th day, Gaur receives on every 16th day, and Infinity received on every 25th day. So when they'll meet at a common point, right? At a common point they all receive. What is that common point? That common point will be LCM of 5, 6, 10, 16 and 25. That is how much? You can calculate the LCM. Okay. So what is the LCM here? 5, 6, 10, 16 and 25. So for 16 and 25, what is the LCM? 16 and 25 are both coprime numbers. What is the LCM? Both multiplication. That is how much? That is 400. So 400 is a multiple of 10 as well as 5. But 400 is not a multiple of 6. Right? So 6 is a multiple of 3. So 3 and 400. What is the LCM? 1200. So LCM is 1200, right? That means they will receive water together. They will receive water together. They will receive water on every 1200th day, right? Because their LCM is 1200, so after every 1200th day they will receive that water together, right? Common sense, no? One society is receiving every 5th day, other every 6th day, third one every 10th day, fourth one every 16th day, fifth one every 25th day. So likewise it goes on, right? So when they will receive, what is the LCM? 1200. So 1200 is the lowest common multiple of all these numbers, right? So they will all merge at 1200. That means 1200th day they'll all receive water again together. Okay, fine. So what we need to calculate, we'll see here what we need to calculate now. So what we need to calculate is what is the maximum number of societies that will be supplied water on any single day in 2014. Any single day in 2014, right? So last they received on 31st December 2013, and after 1200 days all 5 will receive. What is 1200 days? That is in between 3 and 4 years, right? Because 365 days per year, 365 into 3 is 1095, right? So that is around in between 3 and 4 years they'll again receive. So 5 is obviously not the answer for this question. 5 is obviously not the answer for this question, right? Let's check for 4. And try making it within 1 and 2 years, right? So let's check for 4 such possibilities here. Okay, so if I'll check for 4 such possibilities here, so which are those 4 possibilities? You can see that LCM of 5, 6, right? 5, 6, 10 and 25, because 20 as soon as 16 comes here, right? 16 comes here. So LCM of 5, 6, 10 and 16 is how much? So let's calculate here. Okay, so it's we'll have some possibilities here. So LCM of, understand very carefully, okay, LCM of 5, 6, 10 and 16 will be how much? Simply calculated. LCM of 16 and 10 is 80 and 3 240. So this LCM is 240, right? Take another 4 combination. LCM of 25, 5, 6, 10 and 25. Okay, 5, 6, 10 and 25. LCM of 5, 6, 10 and 25 is how much? It is 150. Correct. So this, if you take this kind of possibility, right? So we'll see that these 4 societies will receive water every 240th day. What are these 4 societies? 5, 6, 10, 16. 5, 6, 10, 16. What are those 4 societies? 5, 6, 10, 16. That means Panchsheel, Supertake, Amrapali, Gaur. Panchsheel, Supertake, Amrapali, Gaur will receive water every 240th day, because their combined LCM is 240th day. So 240th is the common number for all those people, right? All those societies. 5, 6, 10, 25. That means Panchsheel, Supertake, Amrapali and Infinity. Panchsheel, Supertake, Amrapali and Infinity. These societies will receive water every 150th day, because LCM of 5th, 6th, 10th and 20th, right? They receive water on every 5th day, every 6th day, every 10th day and every 25th day. So what is their common number? Common LCM, common multiple, 150th day, right? So they receive water every 150th day. right? So what can I say is, the question here is, what is the maximum number of societies that will be supplied water on any single day in 2014 year? So in both the cases, in both these cases, right, I can take other combinations also, no issue. I can take, but I should not take 25 and 16 because if I take 25 and 16 together, it becomes, what is the LCM? Their LCM is 400. 400 means it crosses 1 year, right? You're counting from 31st, sorry, you're counting from 30, I should write 31st here, this is wrong here. We are counting from 31st December 2013. Okay. And after that, 400 days. So 365 days is 1 year, right? So 400 days crosses the year. Okay. So we have to be less than 365, right? So without 25, this set of four societies, their LCM, and without being 25 and 16 in a common bracket, these are two different possibilities, right? So both are less than 365. Less than 365 means after 31st December 2013, less than 365 days means in 2014. In 2014, at least these societies will receive water in a single day. So what is the maximum number of societies that will be supplied water on any single day? So yes, 4 cans be supplied. So what is 4 is the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Either these 4 or these 4. This is the answer for this question. 4 is the answer, right? 4 is the answer. Okay, next question. We'll see now. First question answer is 4. Next question. If 3 societies can be supplied water on any single day, on which date can we see first such instance in April 2014? Okay. On which day we can see first such instance in April 2014? And see this question here. If 3 societies can be supplied water on any single day, on which date can we see the first such instance in April 2014, right? So see here, what you want is April 2014, right? So you want is April 2014. So where is April 2014? What is the number? So after 31st December 2013, so March will be finished around 90 days and April will be finished around 120 days, right? So March will be finished after 31st December 2013, right? March will be finished in around 90 days, correct? And April will be finished in around 120 days. So I need to search for a number which lies between 90 and 120, okay? Which lies between 90 and 120. So we'll search for the LCM of any such 3 numbers. We'll search for the LCM of any such 3 numbers, right? So you don't need to LCM all these 4 numbers here. We need LCM only 3 such numbers we need, right? 3 such numbers we need. So see here. For any of those 3 such numbers, how to calculate it? Any of those 3 such numbers, how to calculate it? See. So we'll do some hit and trial here and find that LCM of, right? Take small numbers like 5, 6 and 10. What is the LCM of 5, 6 and 10? 5, 6 and 10. What is the LCM? LCM of 5, 6 and 10 is how much? It is 30. It is 30, right? That means for these 3 societies, right? What are these 3 societies? Panchsheel, Supertech and Amrapali. Panchsheel, Supertech and Amrapali receive water in every 30 days, in every 30th day. Sorry, on every 30th day, right? Take another LCM with small numbers you take, right? Obviously, don't combine 25, 16 for the same reason. 25 and 16, if you combine in single bracket, their LCM will be 400, right? What I'm saying is LCM of 5, 16 and 25. If these 3 societies you take 5, 16 and 25, their LCM will be 400, right? So I don't want 400. Now what number I want is between 19 and 120 or less than that, so that I can see it in multiple, right? I don't want 400 because after 31st December 2013, if you add 400 days, it will be somewhere in 2015, right? Whereas what I want in April 2014. So I have to take as a smaller number as possible. So LCM of 516 is 30. Okay, another smaller numbers are 5. I can take 5, 6 and 25. Yes, LCM of 5, 6 and 25. 5, 6 and 25 is how much? It is 50. It is 5, not 5, 6, 25 I can take. I should take here 5, 10 and 25. Should take here 5, 10 and 25. So it is again less than 90. That is 50. That is 50, right? Less than 90 is 50. So 5, 10 and 25, it is 50. Fine, 50. So LCM of 5, 10 and 25 is 50. What is this 5, 10, 25? 5, 10, 25. 5, 10, 25 is for which numbers? Which societies? Infinity, sorry, Panchsheel, Amrapali and Infinity. So Panchsheel, Amrapali and Infinity will receive water on every 50th day. On every 50th day. They receive water on every 30th day, and they receive water on every 50th day, right? Any other such combinations? No, I can't see, because LCM of 10 and 16 is already 80, right? So if I take 10 and 16 in any combination, so LCM of 10 and 16 is 80, right? So 10 and 16, their LCM is 80. So after any societies combining these two brackets, will have on every 80th day. So, but I want what? In between 90 and 120. So that will not be possible, right? So only these two combinations come as per our calculation. So when they receive water in every 30th day, so they receive after 31st December 2013, they receive their Panchsheel, Supertech and Amrapali receive every 30th day. So 30th day, that means 30th day, 60th, they receive water on 30th day, then 60th day, then 90th day, then 120th day, right? That is maximum. Further also, but not lot of hours, because we are searching for in between March and April. We are searching in between March and April. So 30th, 60th, 90th and 120th, right? For these people, for these societies, Panchsheel, Amrapali and Infinity, every 50th day, that is 50th day, then 100th day, and so on. But we don't know, we don't have to consider 150 because it's again after 120. Why I'm taking 120? Because it has to be in April. So after they all received water together on 31st December 2013, right? After that, they have to receive water. This question is for April. So April will lie somewhere in between 90 and 120, because January plus February plus March around 90 days, and April finished is around 120 days, right? So I want in between 90 and 120. I want in between 90 and 120, right? That's why I'm taking these numbers. Obviously, after 31st December 2013, this 120th day, okay, this 120th day will be how much? This 120th day will be how much? It will be 30th April. It will be 30th April. And this 100th day will be how much? This 120th day will be 30th April. And this 100th day will be how much? So when March is finished, 2014 is a non-leap year. So January 31, February 28, 59 and March 31, total 90. So when March is finished, 90 days. So 100th day. So when March is finished 90 days, so I need 100th day. So 10 more days, right? That is 10th April. That is 10th April. So Panchsheel, Supertech and Amrapali would be receiving on every 30th day. So 120th day they'll receive in 30th April 2014. They'll receive on, see, let me write it here. They'll receive on this Panchsheel, Supertech and Amrapali will receive on 30th April 2014 together, right? Together, because of the 120th day. And this Panchsheel, Amrapali and Infinity will receive on 100th day, that is 10th April 2014. Again, don't forget, 100 days is from which day? 31st December 2013, when they last received together. After that, 100th day is 10th April. If you count January plus February plus March, 90 days finished, plus 10 more days, that is 10th April. So 90 plus 10, 100th day, 10th April. So what is the answer? Answer is 10th April for this question. So very nice question, very conceptual question. These are right. This kind of questions will take you through in LRDI. Okay, so very important questions, right? Move to now third question. See here now. On which date in 2014 can we observe the second instance of water being supplied to maximum number of societies? Okay, on which date in 2014 we can observe the second instance of water being supplied to maximum number of societies, right? So see, we have calculated this here, no? This, right? Maximum, because we know that in 2014, we already know that in 2014, all the five societies all the 5 societies cannot get water on a single day. I know that in 2014 all the 5 societies cannot get water on a single day, right? Sure, no? I'm saying that in 2014 we did it right. All the 5 societies cannot get water in a single day, because what was their LCM? Their LCM, how much? Their LCM is 1200. Their LCM is 1200, right? That means they last received together on 31st December 2013. After that 1200 days, right, man? 3 plus years, right? So not possible to receive in 2014, right? What is the question? On which date in 2014 can you observe the second instance of water being supplied to maximum number of societies? Okay, so in 2014 we have did this in first question. Only 4 societies can receive. Only 4 societies can receive water on a single day, right? Which are they? So Panchsheel, Supertake, Amrapali and Gaur will receive on every 240th day. Okay, so Panchsheel, Supertake, Amrapali and Gaur will receive on every 240th day, and Panchsheel, Supertake, Amrapali and Infinity will receive on every 150th day. Will receive on every 150th day, right? So what is the first instance? So I can sense it easily now, right? After 31st December 2013, these 4 societies together received on 150th day. Maximum number of societies is what? 4, which can receive on any date in 2014, because 5 is not possible. So next bigger number is what? 4, and we know that 4 is possible because both these numbers are less than 365. That means within a year they can receive. All 4 can together receive, right? These are the 4 possibilities. So on 150th day, on these 4 societies will receive, right? So on 150th day, this is the first instance. 150th day is the first instance in 2014. 150th day is the first instance in 2014 when all 4 societies will receive water together, right? Which is the second instance? Second instance is 240th day. So 150th day is the first instance in 2014 where 4 societies, maximum 4 societies will receive water together. So obviously 250th day is the second such instance. Second instance where all 4 societies will receive water together. Maximum 4, right? Not same 4 societies, not same 4, just 4 societies. Okay, so 248 day, the second instance where 4 societies will receive water together. Right? So which is it? 240th day. You can calculate simply, right? So 248th day after 31st December 2013, 240th day, if you will calculate, you will get it as 28th August. You'll get it as 28th August, right? You can simply calculate in fingers. January 31, February 28, 59, then March 31, 90, like that. So 28th August will be the 240th day. 28th August will be the 240th day, which is the second instance. What is the first instance? 150th day, right? This is the third question. Now fourth question. So let's move to question 4. So question 4 says that if this frequency for all users was being followed since 1st January 2012, then in 2013, how many times could the societies Amrapali, Gaur and Infinity have received water together in a single day? Okay, in a single day, right? Okay, so let's see here and wrap this part now. Okay, so that means for this question, I'm assuming that on 1st January 2012, all had received water in a single day. Okay, that was the day before 31st December 2013. That day was 1st January 2012, right? We are just assuming this, right? That 1st January 2012. So for Amrapali, Gaur and Infinity, Amrapali is 10, Gaur is 16 and 25. So LCM of 10, 16 and 25 is how much? It is 400. Okay, so it is 400, right? Yeah, it is 400, right? So for Amrapali, Gaur and Infinity, this number is what? This number is 400 LCM. That means after 1st January 2012. Okay, so after 1st January 2012, so they will, after 1st January 2012, right? So after 1st January 2012 and plus 400 days. That means around 1st January 2012 plus 400 days will fall where? Will fall somewhere around, because 365 plus 35. Somewhere for it will fall around one time in 2013, right? You can sense it, right? 365 days plus 35 days. So around in February. So it falls around February 2013. They'll receive all three will receive water on a single day. And then again next time after 400 days. That is somewhere in March 2014, right? That means in 2013 how many time? Only single time. So only once. So one is the answer. That's it, right? Quite simple. Again understand this. If this frequency for all users was in followed since 1st January 2012, right? So for this question we're assuming that we're just assuming, right? Not exactly, we're assuming that on 1st Jan 2012 all the four societies received, all the five societies received water. Okay, then it is a question that in 2013 how many times could the societies Amrapali, Gaur and Infinity receive water on a single day, right? Together in a single day. So 1st Jan 2012, okay, 1st Jan 2012, then what is the LCM? They receive every 10th day, every 16th day and every 25th day. So their LCM is 400, right? That means after 400 days of 1st Jan 2012, what is 400 days? 365 days, 1 year plus 35 days. That means around February 2013. Okay, so they'll receive one time in February 2013 together. Okay, we can calculate the date also, but not required here. Okay, and plus again 400 days, then it will go in March 2014, right? That means in 2013 only once. So one is the answer for this question, right? So very nice set, very good set, right? Worth spending time on this set. I hope I've done full justice to it, explained to it in full detail, right? So I hope you enjoyed it. We'll continue this in series in next videos. Okay, thank you.